Wired home security cameras are hardware devices that are specifically designed to monitor and record activity in and around your home. These cameras typically offer 1080p HD resolution night vision, and some even feature person detection or AI facial recognition capabilities. By strategically mounting multiple cameras inside and outside your home, they work together to provide comprehensive protection against package theft, home invasions, burglaries, and other emergencies. We have listed the top 5 best wired security cameras for homes in 2024 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each security camera in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is LaView Security Wired Cameras. The LaView Security Wired Cameras have certainly raised the bar for home security in 2024. The wired-based spy cameras offer an impressive 1080p Full HD resolution, delivering crystal-clear video quality that ensures no detail goes unnoticed. However, what truly distinguishes them from the competition is their revolutionary 2K HD and Starlight Color Night Vision capability. Imagine possessing the ability to capture incredibly sharp, intricately detailed, and real-time footage in stunning 2K resolution, even during the darkest hours of the night. It is equipped with a built-in starlight sensor and an expansive f/1.4 aperture, and this cutting-edge technology unveils a vivid full-color night view that surpasses the brightness of conventional security cameras by a staggering 40 times. With this unparalleled level of clarity, your property remains safeguarded around the clock, irrespective of the prevailing lighting conditions. The LaView cameras are built to withstand the harshest conditions, boasting IP65 resistance for waterproof and dustproof protection. With the ability to endure temperatures ranging from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, your surveillance remains uncompromised regardless of the weather. Furthermore, it offers dual storage options, including US cloud storage and a micro SD slot that supports up to 128 gigabytes. By securely storing your videos in an encrypted cloud server based in the US, you can have peace of mind knowing that your footage is both safe and easily accessible when needed. If you're interested in this wired security camera, check out the link in the description box below. Number 2 is Rraycom 4-pack security cameras. The Rraycom 4-pack security cameras in 2024 represent the ultimate all-in-one solution for home security. The state-of-the-art wired cameras seamlessly blend cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, providing a top-tier surveillance experience. With a 100% wireless design, the Rraycom Wi-Fi cameras ensure a lightning-fast and hassle-free setup. It's important to note that these cameras support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and can be enhanced with an optional solar panel for continuous power, solar panel not included. The Rraycom 4-pack security cameras provide exceptional nighttime clarity with their 2K QHD resolution and color night vision capabilities. This advanced feature ensures that even in low-light conditions, you can easily discern important details like faces and license plates, enhancing your overall security experience. Bid farewell to subscription fees. You now have the option to save and share clips with a complimentary 3-day trial of our cloud service or locally store your footage using a micro SD card, up to 256 gigabytes, SD card not included. This grants you complete control over your security data. With dimensions measuring 12x8x3 inches and weighing a sturdy 2.5 pounds, these cameras seamlessly integrate into your home security setup, combining compactness with durability. If you want to purchase this wired security camera right now, then check out the link given in the description box. Number 3 is LaView 4MP Security Wired Cameras. In today's fast-paced world, ensuring the safety of your home should be a top priority. The LaView 4MP Security Wired Camera stands out as an exceptional choice in home security in 2024. With state-of-the-art technology, it offers a wide range of features that ensure peace of mind day and night. The best thing about this camera is its remarkable 2K HD resolution, capturing ultra-clear video footage even in low-light conditions. The revolutionary built-in starlight sensor is a game-changer, enabling vivid full-color night vision that surpasses traditional cameras by 40 times in brightness. With its new f/1.4 aperture, It captures an impressive 2.5 times more light, ensuring exceptional visual clarity even in pitch-black conditions. It is also designed for indoor and outdoor use, and its versatile camera boasts IP65 resistance against the elements. The inclusion of two-way audio enhances your home security experience, allowing seamless remote communication with individuals near the camera. When it comes to storage options, the LaView camera doesn't disappoint. It offers support for US cloud storage, as well as a built-in micro SD slot, ensuring the safety of your video clips. The 128 GB SD card capacity provides ample storage for high-quality 2K day and night color footage. With dimensions measuring 10x6x4 inches and weighing just 2.18 pounds, it offers a compact and lightweight security solution. And if you like this wired security camera, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Septekon 2K Home Security Cameras. The Septekon 2K Home Security Camera is an immaculate addition to your home security arsenal in 2024. This cutting-edge camera stands out as one of the top contenders in the wired security camera market, offering an array of advanced features. With its 3MP high-definition lens and impressive 2304x1000 296 resolution, it ensures crystal-clear video footage, capturing every intricate detail with precision. The camera provides a reliable and stable Wi-Fi connection through its dual Wi-Fi antenna. This ensures uninterrupted connectivity, while the AES 256 encryption technology guarantees the privacy and security of your data. You can store your footage on a micro SD card or in the cloud, offering convenience and flexibility in managing your files. With its advanced infrared technology, equipped with 8 powerful LEDs, it offers impeccable night vision that extends up to 65 feet in complete darkness. Whether you're keeping an eye on your surroundings or need to spot a midnight intruder, rest assured that nothing will escape your attention. Not only is it compact and robust, measuring 10.55 x 6.1 x 6.1 inches and weighing 2.99 pounds, but it's also designed for seamless multi-user access. This ensures that everyone in your household can easily monitor and control it, providing peace of mind for all. To get this wireless wired security camera right now, click on the link in the description box below. Number 5 is DEKCO 2K Pan Rotating 180 Degrees Wired Cameras. The DEKCO 2K Pan Rotating 180 Degrees Wired Cameras is a top shot for anyone who needs to keep an eye on their home. With a broad 270 degrees field of view, it eliminates blind spots and ensures comprehensive monitoring. This high-definition 2K camera offers crystal-clear night vision for indoor and outdoor use, providing up to 32 feet of sharp visibility. It's exclusively compatible with 2.4G Wi-Fi, and the two-way talk feature enables seamless communication, allowing users to greet visitors and interact with family members in real time through the CloudEdge app. With instant user notifications upon motion detection, this feature enhances security and control. Users have the freedom to customize sensitivity and monitoring range, allowing them to tailor surveillance to their specific needs. Furthermore, its sleek dimensions of 8.07 x 3.94 x 3.94 inches and weight of 1.96 pounds make it a stylish addition to any home security setup. The DEKCO 2K Pan Rotating 180 Degrees Wired Cameras provide remarkable features. With its wide-angle coverage, improved night vision, two-way communication, and reliable motion detection, it stands out as an excellent option for ensuring comprehensive home security. So, to buy this wired home security camera, check out the link mentioned in the description box below. After reviewing each of the top 5 best wired security cameras for homes in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. No matter what your surveillance needs are, one of these best wired security cameras should definitely fulfill them. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your home or property is always protected. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.